Now, Greece is edging closer to a messy divorce from the eurozone, with the global market growing extremely anxious over the looming uncertainties posed by the crisis in Greece. The country doesn't have much time at all before its bailout programme and IMF repayment deadline expire. Shin Se reports.
Time is running out. There are only hours left before Greece's current bailout package and its $1.8 billion loan repayment to the International Monetary Fund come due. The country's total accumulated debt is well over $350 billion, $270 billion of which is owed to the European Central Bank, the International Monetary Fund, and other eurozone countries. The June 30 deadline was set by the Eurogroup earlier this year and is attached to a series of demands for economic reforms. Late Friday, Prime Minister Alexis Tsipras threw a country into turmoil when he announced a referendum on the question of whether to accept the demands. A yes vote means voters accept the austerity measures proposed by Greece's creditors. A no vote could mean voters are choosing a path that will most likely rip them from the eurozone, which experts say would result in heightened volatility in global markets that are already fluctuating over the uncertainty in Greece. The vote is set to take place this coming Sunday. But Athens is already in crisis. The banks are shut, ATM withdrawals are limited to 60 euros, and Greeks are lined up at supermarkets hoping to stockpile essentials.
Greece is at the most critical moment of its modern history, faced with the prospect of disaster, a true disaster, unprecedented in times of peace.
With the looming uncertainties over the situation in Greece, global markets are shaky, with the U.S. stock market plunging 350 points. The losses also wiped out all the gains in European markets, with the Dow and S&P 500 indexes falling at least 2%. Asian stocks also stumbled, with China's markets falling again Tuesday. Korean stocks edged up in early trading after the benchmark Kospi index finished at a one-week low. Shin Se, Arirang News.